Aditya Agarwal, Head Technicals at Way to Wealth, is now joining in. Aditya, what is your view on the expiry? You think majority of the impact is behind?
Well, if we see expiry side, then this expiry is not so great as compared to last couple of expiries. Means the lower figures are not very encouraging. We have seen a lot of short rollover getting rollovers in pharma, technology, capital goods sector, and means we are seeing the impact on those stocks as most of these, if we see capital goods sector, they are trading at days low level, and we are seeing some selling pressure in pharma stocks also from higher levels. But if we see a long side, then long rollers are very selective stocks like in oil and gas sector, power, textile, and selected auto sector. These are some of the sectors in which we are seeing some rollovers. In Nifty, again, rollovers are not very excessive. We have seen almost 55 to 60% positions getting rolled over in Nifty, and rollover premium has also reduced. Rollover cost have reduced to only 40 points as compared to 55 points last expiry. So on the higher side, we are seeing some short pressure also in Nifty futures. So more or less, rollovers are on a bit on lower side, and we are expecting that next expiry also, next series also will be quite dull, and we will continue to stay in a range.
Right. Aditya, just stay on with us. Some news flow coming in on Reliance Infra. They had acquired Pipavav Defence. Of course, their open offer is starting soon. But they are saying that Pipavav Defence, which was a part of the CDR company, will now no longer be CDR or will exit the CDR. I think this is something which was already factored in once Reliance Infra took this over, just as a news flow they are telling right now. Aditya, you think the impact of this low rollovers or this no volume or no trades in high volume counters that we are seeing for quite some time now is because of the higher lot size that we've seen, or the lot size change? Markets is trying to adjust to that?
Well, that is one of the reasons because of which we are seeing, means last series also we saw that positions got rollover was quite less because of the high rollover, high lot size. So that is one of the reasons, and I think in next one or two series, players will get used to the high lot size, and we will see that rollover will pick up sharply next one or two months. So that is definitely one of the reasons. Lot size is definitely one of the reasons because of which we are seeing some low rollovers in last two expiries.
Right. What would be your view on some of the mid-cap names? You know, names like TVS, names like Jubilant, Indiabull Housing, well-known, well-tracked name. Now they are even a part of the large cap, considering their market cap and their performance. You think rollovers there are good? That tells you that the interest in the large, the large mid-cap or the low large cap space continues to be very high?
Well, definitely means if we see mid-cap counters, then in this expiry itself, mid-cap has seen a lot of movement as compared to large cap. Most of the mid-caps means we have seen a decent movement. If we see TVS Motors, then stock is looking extremely good. Till yesterday, rollovers were a bit low, but today we have seen some high activity in TVS Motors. We are expecting that this stock may see some good movement, and on higher side, it may test 320, 325 levels. Indiabulls Housing Finance is another counter in which we have stock saw some heavy selling pressure, but stock has recovered. But overall structure for the stock is weak, and we have not seen any major long positions getting rolled over. The rally which we saw in last 3-4 trading sessions, that was majorly a short covering rally. Again, in this counter we have seen short rollovers. So Indiabulls Housing Finance will be little bit in pressure. But yes, TVS Motors, as we discussed, is looking good, and one can make long positions. Some of the other counter, Bata is one of the stocks in which we are expecting some good movement in next expiry. So Bata is one counter in which one can remain long.
Right. I know Jet Airways and any of the aviation companies are not a part of the F&O list, but you look at technicals as well. Jet Airways currently is about 503 odd rupees. What is your view on Jet Airways or the aviation pack?
Well, if we see Jet Airways, then this stock has seen a good movement, but overall structure for the stock is still bullish, and we are recommending to make long position on any decline. On higher side, 540, 545 is the immediate target, and if that is broken, then stock can easily go towards 600 levels. So if we compare SpiceJet and Jet, then from current levels, Jet Airways is looking much better, as we have already seen a sharp rally in SpiceJet. So if you compare both these stocks, if you have to ask me, you will ask me, then Jet Airways is my pick for first target of 540, and above that 600 is the next target.
Right. Any other names that interest you in the mid-cap pack?
Well, in mid-cap stocks, if you ask me, then Adani Power is one counter. In fact, whole power sector, we are looking for this expiry. We are expecting that power sector may see some more buying. Our Power, Adani Power, both these stocks are looking good. In Adani Power, we are expecting target of 32.5 to 33 levels in this expiry itself. Similarly, if you see our Power, then 53, 54 is the immediate target, and above that, we are expecting target of 54, 55 levels. Bata, as we discussed, is looking strong, and we are expecting target of 530, 514 Bata. So these are a couple of these stocks in mid-cap in which one can remain long.
Aditya, thank you so much for taking out time for us. Always a pleasure talking to you.